Most people think they know American wildlife. They think of eagles, bears, and deer. But beneath the surface of our rivers and deep within our forgotten forests, there are creatures that look like they belong in a prehistoric era or on another planet. These are not cryptids. They are not urban legends. These are documented species living right here in our backyards. Today, we uncover the 7 strangest animals living in the USA today. 1. The Hellbender. Found in the cold, rocky streams of the eastern United States, this is the largest salamander in North America. It can grow up to 2 feet long and has been on this continent for 65 million years. Locals call it the Snot Otter because of the thick, protective slime that covers its wrinkled skin. It doesn't use lungs to breathe. It absorbs oxygen directly through its skin from the water. They are living relics of a prehistoric America. 2. The alligator snapping turtle. This is the largest freshwater turtle in the U.S., and it is a biological trap. Inside its mouth is a small, pink, worm-shaped piece of flesh. It sits perfectly still at the bottom of a river and wiggles this lure. When a fish swims in to eat the worm, the turtle snaps its jaws shut with enough force to crush bone. They can live for over 100 years and have remained virtually unchanged since the time of the dinosaurs. 3. The star-nosed mole. Found in the wetlands of the northeastern U.S., it possesses the most sensitive organ in the entire animal kingdom. That star on its face is made of 22 fleshy tentacles covered in 25,000 sensory receptors. It is functionally blind, but it can identify and consume prey in less than 230 milliseconds. It is officially the fastest eating mammal on Earth. It is a documented marvel of evolutionary engineering. 4. The Gila Monster. One of the only venomous lizards in the world, and it lives in the American Southwest. Its skin is made of bony scales called osteoderms, giving it a beaded appearance. Unlike snakes, it doesn't inject venom through fangs. It latches on and chews the venom into the wound through grooves in its teeth. But here is the weirdest part. A hormone in their venom is currently used to treat type 2 diabetes in humans. A toxic lizard is helping save lives. 5. The opossum. America's only marsupial, and it is a biological fortress. They are almost entirely immune to rabies because their body temperature is too low for the virus to survive. Even more documented is their immunity to snake venom. They can be bitten by a rattlesnake or a copperhead and walk away as if nothing happened. They also eat up to 5,000 ticks every season. They are the unsung, slightly terrifying heroes of American backyards. Six, the West Indian manatee. Found in the coastal waters of Florida, these animals are the closest living relatives to the elephant. They weigh up to 1,200 pounds and spend their entire lives eating underwater grass. But their biology is strange. They have no natural predators and no fight or flight response. They communicate using high-pitched squeaks and can hold their breath for 20 minutes. They are the gentle, slow-moving giants of the American coast. Seven, the nine-banded armadillo. This is the only mammal on Earth with a hard, bony shell. They are known for a documented biological glitch. They almost always give birth to identical quadruplets. For babies, one egg. They can also hold their breath and walk across the bottom of a pond to cross it. They are one of the few animals that can carry leprosy, making them a subject of intense medical study in the U.S. America's wilderness is deeper and stranger than we are taught. These animals are proof that secrets are hidden in plain sight. These are not myths. This is our wildlife. Stay curious. Follow Wildly Weird for more documented absurdity.